Hi, you all are here. How are you all? You're staying home, you're staying safe, taking good care of yourself. Very good. All my Santins are champions. Very nice. Today, what we are going to do? Yes, what is this in my hand? This is a ball. What is this? This is a ball. We're going to study the letter B today. What are we going to study? The letter B. B for ball. B for ball. B for balloon. And tell me, what is the color of this balloon? Yes, it is blue color. Yay! And what is this? It's a basket. B for basket. B for bat. Do you play with your bat every day? Bat and ball? Yes. So this is a bat. And do you remember this? This is your bag. B says bag. Now let us learn the sound of B. B says B. Say it with me one more time. B. Join both your lips together and B. Very good. As if you are playing with a cricket bat. Say B. Good. Last time. B. Excellent. Superb. All my sentences are too good. Very nice. Practice this at home again and again. Till then, stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.